Hello everyone. So in this video I will be analyzing data of T20 World Cups from 2012 to 2016. So let's get started. The very first thing we will be doing is just type Google Collab. Here it is. Go to Google Collab and create a new notebook. So here it is. The very first thing you have to do is just connect it. It will take few seconds and yes, so it is now connected, and here we will be writing our code. So in order to analyze any data you need to have a data set. So in order to have that, you may have to make sure that your data is present in the directory in your folder of project. So here we are. So all you need to do is you can directly upload it from here, or you can mount drive and connect to Google Drive simply. So here is my drive. Go to my drive, and this is cwc20 data.csv. This is my file which I will be analyzing, and make sure that it is of .csv extension. So now let's start analyzing. So first of all we need packages or libraries that we will be including in order to analyze the data. So firstly we will import numpy as, let's say, np, and we will import pandas as pd. Next we will import matplotlib dot pyplot splt, and then one more, import cpon as sns. So the main objective of these are numpy is used for numerical computations, and pandas are used mainly for making data frames and for further analysis. Matplotlib is used mainly for plotting something, whatever data you want to plot, and cbon is for also for plotting and different types of making different types of graph and pie chart. So just run this, it is fine. So now one more, and this is Google Collab. So each cell will be run differently, means separately. And now we have to make a data frame, and we will be using pandas for making data frame. So let's make our data frame. Let's say cwc underscore data, and this will be our data frame equals to pd dot read underscore csv, because it is of csv extension. And here we need to copy the path. So simply you have to go, if you have uploaded your file in your my drive, simply go here and just copy path from here and simply paste over here. Now let's run this one. It is fine. So the data set has been taken by a data frame, and now we will be seeing whether our data is correctly uploaded. Let's see dot head, and if I pass simply dot head here, it will be giving me the first 5 entries of my data set. Here are the entries, and in the year 2012, first 5 matches which have been played. Now if I want to see more, then I simply write cwc underscore data dot head, and inside head I will pass, let's say, 65, so it will give me 65, say so on up till 65 rows and 11 columns. You can also pass here 50, let's say 50, it will give me first 50 over here. You can see these are the matches played from 2012 to 2016 in T20 World Cup. 2012 World Cup was hosted by Sri Lanka, then in 2014 by Bangladesh, and in 2016 India. So here is our data. Now we will be analyzing some sort of data here, like which team has won more matches, which team has more chances of winning in 2021 World Cup. So the very first thing is to see whether the columns are right. So just simply write cwc underscore data dot columns columns dot values, and simply run it. Here are IDs, city, venue, team 1, team 2, toss winner, match winner, margin, result, method, and year. Now let's move further. If you want to see which team has won most matches in from 2012 to 2016, so we simply write cwc underscore data and let's say match underscore winner, and you make sure that the column name here should match with the code where you are writing this. Spelling should be same, and if here it is underscore, and you just simply dot value underscore count. Yes, counts. Now let's run it. So here you can see West Indies have won most matches from 2012 to 2016 World Cup. West Indies have won 12 matches, India, Sri Lanka 11, India also 12, Australia 8, England 7, South Africa 7, New Zealand 7, Pakistan 6, Afghanistan, Netherlands 1-1. So now we can further analyze our data. Suppose we want to check whether a particular team plays how good in a particular, you can say place or city. So if I want to find out which all teams have won matches in particular city, let's say Colombo or Dhaka, let's say Colombo. So match underscore winner, and inside, oh no, sorry, it will be dot match underscore winner, and inside brackets we will be passing the condition. So we will be passing our data frame, and then dot column name we have to pass. Suppose city double equals to, let's say, Colombo. So and dot, okay, no, Okay, so let's run this cwc underscore data dot match winner. So here are the list of match winners who have won matches in Colombo: Australia, India, England, Australia, India, once again India, Australia. These are the list of teams who have won the matches in Colombo, and similarly, if you want to see for any other city, we just simply uh, copy this cell, we paste over here, and in place of Colombo, let's say Kolkata. And let's run it. So here is the result. Pakistan, Sri Lanka, India, New Zealand and West Indies have won matches in Kolkata. You can easily see, let's say some other city, let's say this time Dhaka. And once again run this. India, Pakistan, India, West Indies. Here are the list of countries who have won matches in Dhaka. So now let's move further, and this time we will be analyzing some other type of data. And suppose we want to see which team has won more matches in 2000, most matches in 2012. So for that we need our data frame. Match winner, and this time we will be passing the year. Okay, so we will be writing this is our data frame dot year this time, and suppose we have to find which team has won most matches in the year 2012. So we simply write cwc underscore data dot year double equals to 2012 and dot value underscore counts. There it is. And let's run this one. Oh, data frame object has no attribute year. Oh, there's an error. The error is that the year y, I think so, should be capital. Let me confirm. Yeah, this year y is capital. So what I have to do is to make this y capital and then run it again. Okay, now it is running fine. So you can see Sri Lanka has won most matches. That is 5. Australia have won 5. West Indies 4. India 4. Pakistan 3. England 2. South Africa 2. And New Zealand 1. Similarly, if I want to see in the year 2014, just copy this one, paste over here, and simply in place of 2012 14 and run it again. Once again in 2014 Sri Lanka have won again 5 matches. India as well have won 5 matches. West Indies 3, West Indies, South Africa 3, West Indies 3, Pakistan 2, New Zealand 2, England 1, Australia 1. Similarly, if I want to see 2016, again I will be copying it. Oh no, it's already copied. So why I am copying it again? Just simply paste, and place of 2012 just write 16 and run it again. And this time West Indies have won 5 matches. England 4, New Zealand 4, India 3, South Africa, Australia 2-2, Pakistan 1, Sri Lanka 1 and Afghanistan 1. So in 2016 West Indies have won 5 matches. In 2012, Sri Lanka have won 5 matches, and in 2014, again Sri Lanka have won 5 matches, and India has also won 5 matches. These are the data. So now, if we want to find which team is good in chasing or which team defends nicely, so in order to perform that, we have to make another query, or you can say, and suppose we need to find that which team is good in defending the total. Okay, so for that, firstly you have to pass always your data frame, and along with data frame you have to pass the attribute, like let's say result should be from won by runs, so it will be runs, and I need to give one more condition. So for that, let's say which team has won most matches by runs in the year 2012. So for that, data frame dot year double equals to 2012. Okay, so CWC underscore data dot match winner, result runs, and year 2012, and value underscore count, and just run this one. Oh my god, data from object. Oh, once again I did the same mistake. Years Y should be capital. Now let's run this again. Now it is running perfectly, and let's see. West Indies have won 3 matches by runs. Sri Lanka have also won 3. India have also won 3. Australia 2. England, South Africa, Pakistan, New Zealand 1 each. Similarly, if I want to see for wickets, I will be doing the same thing. Just copy this and paste over here, and simply in place of 2000, in place of runs, and we write wickets, and once again run this one. So in the year 2012, Australia have won 3 matches by wickets. Pakistan 2, India, Sri Lanka, England, South Africa 1 each. And similarly we can do for other as well. This time let's say runs, and year will be 2014, and let's run this one again. Okay, so in 2014 Sri Lanka have won most matches by runs, and Sri Lanka have won 3 matches, South Africa 3, Pakistan 2, West Indies 2, Netherlands 1, India 1, New Zealand 1. And now similarly we have to see for, if we want to see for wickets once again, and this time what I will be doing is changing the year from 2012 to 2014, and runs in place, wickets in place of runs. Now once again we will be running it, and this time India have won 4 matches by wickets, and in the year was 2014. So India 4, Sri Lanka 2, England 1, Australia, West Indies, New Zealand 1. So this is about 2014 runs wickets. We have seen, oh, we have to do 16 here if we want to do 16 here, and then once again run this one. So in the year 2016, West Indies have won 5 matches by wickets, England 2, India 2, Sri Lanka 1, Australia 1, and South Africa 1. So this is about the basic analysis that we did so far. Now suppose if we want to plot data, then we just simply put a new cell. Okay, so for visualization, what we have to do is simply data frame. Here it is, and here we will pass the attribute, and here we will be passing our attribute match winner, and we will be displaying in pie chart which team has won most matches. In the form of pie chart we will be showing that one, and it will show us the percentage of how many percentage the team has from the year 2012 to 2016. So we will be just plot dot pie, I think so. After that, auto ct should be equal to 0.1 f it ends here. If you want to keep a shadow, keep it to true, and if you want to rotate your country's name or labels to a certain angle, then you can do that by rotate labels also. You can set it to true. After then, if you want to give your pie chart a title, then simply write plt dot title and simply pass the title. Suppose I want to give matches won by teams in T20 World Cup 2012 to 2016. Just simply, and if you want to add something to your text like bold or some extra features to it, to your pie chart, then you can do that also. Just write font weight, set this to bold, and also if you want your font size, let's set font size to 20, and it's just simply you have to write plt dot show. I think so it should run. Oh yes, this true should be capital here. Now it should be fine. Yes, it is fine, but because of size, because of this 1.1 f is displaying. Why? Because I have not done it correctly, because I have not written mode in starting. Once again, that is again an error. So it should be mode or percentage, whatever you can say. Let's run this once again, and now it is giving us a perfect percentage. I don't think so. I don't know why this is looking like this. It should look like this. I've done it before. So here you can see West Indies and India have won equal amount of matches from 2012 to 2016. This we have also seen when we are doing on some sort of analysis between the teams. India and West Indies are somewhere equal. I don't know where it had gone. So it is also showing the same thing, that West Indies and India have won equal amount of matches, 16.4%, 16.4%. The distribution is of 100. 15% won by Sri Lanka, Australia 11%, South Africa 9.6, England 9.6, New Zealand 9.6, Pakistan 8.2. So This is all about data analysis of 2012 to 2016 World Cup. If you like this video, do subscribe. Thank you.